Hi, I'm Jenny, the new avatar of AER 360 drones. Thanks for watching a new video from our channel.
Are you thinking of buying your first drone and don't know which one to choose? After years flying different equipment, my main mistake was buying a very good drone. I bought a DJI Inspire and a Mavic Air, all great. But these equipment cost a lot of money. And of course I flew very carefully so as not to damage them. Everything changed when I bought my first DJI Mavic Mini because it was a much cheaper drone. And I wasn't afraid of losing it or that it would crash. From that moment on I began to take more risks, flying the drone under bridges, between trees, and in this way I gained a lot of ease. Due to its characteristics, the DJI Mavic Mini will be the drone that teaches you how to fly the most. My most important tip is that for your first drone you buy a DJI Mavic Mini or SE. Even if you find a used unit at a good price. For me it was the best drone to start flying with. The DJI Mini 1 is a small drone designed for aerial photography and videography. Weighing just 249 grams, the DJI Mini 1 is extremely portable and easy to transport, making it a great choice for pilots who travel frequently. The drone features a high-quality built-in camera that can record 2.7K resolution video at 30 frames per second and take 12-megapixel photos. Additionally, it has a 3-axis stabilizer that helps keep footage stable and shake-free, ensuring exceptional image quality. DJI Mini 1 is controlled via an intuitive mobile app that provides a wealth of features. It also features a long-lasting battery that provides up to 30 minutes of flight time. In summary, the DJI Mini 1 is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a small and portable drone but with exceptional image quality, advanced features, and great ease of use.
The world is a fascinating place, full of adventure and wonderful landscapes waiting to be discovered. Technology has allowed us to capture incredible moments on video, and one of the best ways to do it is with a drone. The DJI Mavic Mini is a popular choice for those looking to explore the world from the air, and video editing with DaVinci Resolve is a great way to bring those special moments to life. The DJI Mavic Mini is a small drone that fits in the palm of your hand, but don't let its size fool you. This small drone is capable of capturing impressive images from the air with its high-quality camera. Whether you're flying over a beach, a mountain, or a field, the DJI Mavic Mini is the perfect tool for capturing breathtaking panoramic views. The first time he used DaVinci Resolve to edit DJI Mavic Mini videos, He was impressed by how easy it was to use. With just a few clicks, I was able to import my video clips and arrange them on the editing timeline. DaVinci Resolve's editing tool is very intuitive, making video editing a hassle-free and easy task. Editing DJI Mavic Mini videos with DaVinci Resolve is a wonderful way to capture and share your adventures. Whether you're creating a video to share with friends and family or promoting your brand on social media, DaVinci Resolve gives you the tools you need to create amazing videos. So, if you're looking for a way to take your DJI Mavic Mini videos to the next level, give DaVinci Resolve a try. In the description of the video, I leave link to recommended products in Amazon Spain. Thanks for following us.